Welcome to our home decor channel where we bring you inspiring ideas to transform your living spaces. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of wind chimes, those delicate melodic ornaments that add a touch of magic to any home or garden. Whether you are a seasoned decor enthusiast or just starting to explore, wind chimes offer a unique blend of beauty, sound, and symbolism that can elevate your space in more ways than one. Wind chimes have been cherished for centuries across many cultures, originating in ancient China and later embraced in Japan, India, and beyond. They were traditionally believed to ward off evil spirits and attract positive energy. Today, they are loved not only for their spiritual significance but also for their aesthetic appeal and soothing sounds. Made from various materials like metal, bamboo, glass, and shells, wind chimes come in countless styles and sizes. Each material produces a distinct sound, from the deep, resonant tones of metal to the soft, airy whispers of bamboo. This diversity allows you to choose a wind chime that perfectly complements your home's style and atmosphere. Incorporating wind chimes into your home decor can be a delightful way to add both visual interest and auditory pleasure. Imagine a gentle breeze stirring a set of elegant chimes on your porch, creating a calming soundtrack to your mornings or evenings. They can serve as a focal point in outdoor spaces like patios, balconies, or gardens, or add a whimsical touch indoors, their windows, or entryways. Wind chimes also bring a natural, organic element to your decor. Their movement and sound connect your home with the outdoors, promoting relaxation and mindfulness. Plus, they are incredibly versatile, from rustic and bohemian designs to sleek modern pieces. There is a wind chime style to suit every taste. When selecting a wind chime, consider the following. First of all, material. Metal chimes offer bright, clear tones and durability, perfect for outdoor use. Bamboo provides a softer, more natural sound, ideal for creating a serene environment. Glass or ceramic chimes add color and a delicate aesthetic, but may be better suited for sheltered spots. Number two, size and length. Larger chimes generally produces deeper, more resonant sounds, while smaller ones create higher pitch, tinkling notes. Think about the space where you'll hang your chime and the kind of sound you want to hear. Number three, designs and color. Choose a design that complements your existing decor. For example, a minimalist metal chime fits well in modern homes, while colorful glass chimes brighten up electric or coastal themes. Number 4, placement. Position your wind chime where they can catch the breeze but won't be a nuisance. Near a window, porch, or garden tree are ideal spots indoor. Near a fan or open window can work beautifully. To keep your wind chime looking and sounding their best, regular maintenance is key. For metal chimes, occasional cleaning with a soft cloth and mild soap helps prevent tarnish. Bamboo cat chimes benefit from protection against prolonged moisture to avoid cracking. If your chimes are outdoor, consider bringing them inside during harsh weather to prolong their life. If you are feeling crafty, you can create your own wind chime using recycled materials like old keys, seashells, or beads. These not only add a personal touch but is also a sustainable way to decorate. You might also experiment with grouping several chimes of different tones together to create a unique soundscape. Wind chimes are more than just decorative accents, they are instruments of tranquility, beauty, and positive energy. Whether you buy or make your own, adding wind chimes to your home decor is a wonderful way to invite harmony and charm into your everyday life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home decor inspiration. Share your favorite wind chime stories or photos in the comment below. Bye bye.